In this video, I'll show you how to change your Steam account name. But before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's dive in. Here we are on the Steam app or the Steam website. On the top right of Steam, simply press your profile name and click View My Profile. Now that you are on your Steam profile, what you need to do is to go to the right hand side and click Edit Profile. From here, make sure that General is selected. One thing that we need to take note of is that you cannot change your Steam username. What we mean by Steam username is the name that we use to log into our Steam. However, the profile name can be changed to whatever your heart desires. From here, all you need to do is to click or select the box under profile name and go and type in whatever profile name you want. Now, once you've entered your profile name, simply scroll down and click Save. Now it's going to go update. And now you can see here, it has changed. So now, once you go back to your profile name will be updated. And you can also click on the small arrow next to your Steam profile name, and it will show you your previous names, and you can also clear them if you like. I hope this helped you, and thanks for watching.